What's going on, everyone? So the guys over at ZOKMOK Tools sent me a message asking if I wanted to try out some of their router bits. So they sent over 4 of these round over bits and 4 of these pattern bits, all different sizes. The round over bits will give you a different radius, and the pattern bits all have a different length. I just made a template for some handles I plan to put on some boxes, and these bits actually come in perfectly for that. I can use the pattern bit to copy the shape and the round over bit to give it a nice edge afterwards. Okay, to get started, I'm going to drill a few holes with a Forstner bit to get the general shape that I want for the grooves. I'm going to drill 2 holes. These are going to be the left and right edges. After this, I connect the 2 holes and cut the remaining piece in the middle with a jigsaw. You'll now be left with a rough shape of the groove that you want. When you're setting up the bit, you want to make sure that the bearing rides on the edge of the template and the bit itself is deep enough to reach the outer edge of your groove. When setting up the round over bit, you want to make sure that the flat edge of the bit itself is in line with the base of the router. Now, this step pretty much can't go wrong. The bearing of the bit rides on the inside of the groove and leaves you with a nice rounded over edge. So here's the end result. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with these bits, especially for the price. They have sharp edges and don't leave any burn marks. I'm gonna leave a link of ZOKMOK's Amazon store in the description below if any of you are interested. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.